drowning in eBay auctions. Let's transform that chaos into a smooth-running empire by getting you some help. First, identify your pain points. Are you spending endless hours answering customer inquiries, struggling to create listings, or buried under shipping boxes? Pinpointing these bottlenecks will help you decide where to delegate first. Customer service is often the first area to outsource. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have freelancers ready to handle beer questions, resolve disputes, and ensure positive feedback. Clearly define response time expectations and provide pre-written templates for common queries. Next up, listing creation. This can be a huge time saver. Find someone experienced in writing compelling descriptions, taking high-quality photos, and optimizing your listings with relevant keywords. Provide them with your product research and brand guidelines. Shipping logistics can be another major time suck. Consider hiring someone to pack, label, and ship your items. You can even explore fulfillment services that handle the entire process from storage to delivery. Once you've brought on staff, track their performance. Use a simple spreadsheet or project management tool to monitor their progress, identify areas for improvement, and ensure they're meeting your expectations. Regular communication is key. Delegating tasks will free up your time to focus on the bigger picture: sourcing new products, optimizing your strategy, and ultimately, scaling your eBay sales for maximum profit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more eBay growth tips. #eBay management, #auction helpers.